In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable SMTP in Zoho Mail. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the SMTP settings and how to make sure a copy of every message you send is saved for easy tracking. SMTP, short for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, is the standard way email gets sent from your account. Enabling and confirming these settings in Zoho Mail helps ensure your outgoing messages behave consistently, especially if you're connecting Zoho Mail with other tools or apps. Start by opening your web browser and heading to mail.zoho.com. Sign into your Zoho Mail account if you aren't already. It's best to do this from a desktop browser so you can clearly see all the settings panels. Once you're in your inbox, look toward the left side of the screen. Just below the new mail button, you'll see a small gear icon. That gear opens your settings, and that's where we need to go. Click the gear icon to open the settings view. This panel lets you manage everything from your appearance preferences to account level controls. Scroll down through the settings items until you find mail accounts. Select mail accounts to open the section that controls how your mailbox sends and receives messages. If you use more than one address or alias, this is also where those show up, so it's a good place to confirm you're editing the correct account. Inside mail accounts, look for the option labeled SMTP. Click SMTP to view the outgoing mail settings connected to your Zoho Mail account. This area is dedicated to how messages are sent from your mailbox, and it's the right place to confirm behavior for your outgoing emails. Now, enable the option called Save Copy of Sent Emails. Turning this on ensures that every message sent through SMTP will also be stored in your sent folder in Zoho Mail. That means you'll have a reliable record of your communications, which is particularly helpful for audits, client follow-ups, or team visibility. With that setting enabled, go ahead and click Save. You should see confirmation that your changes have been applied. That's it. Your SMTP settings are now in place, and saving copies of sent emails is enabled. If you don't see the SMTP option, you might be viewing a restricted account or an interface variant. Refreshing the page or checking with your workspace admin can help. After saving, any future messages sent via SMTP will appear in your sent folder, keeping your outbox organized and searchable. Thanks for watching, and you're all set to send with confidence in Zoho Mail.